Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Yashashya and I'm a team lead here at OnceHub. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to opt out of product announcement notifications in your OnceHub account. This is helpful if you prefer fewer emails while still staying focused on your day-to-day work. So to get started, simply log into your OnceHub account. Once you log in, you would be taken to this home page. From the home page, click on your profile icon on the top right and select Profile Overview. Under the Overview page, click on the Action menu or the three dots next to your name and click on Product Announcements. Simply toggle this option off and uncheck the box and save your changes. Once disabled, you'll no longer receive emails related to new features, product updates, or announcements from OnceHub. So you can simply check off the box and hit save. It is important to note that opting out of product announcements does not affect critical account or billing emails. You'll still receive important notifications related to your account, security, or payments. And that's it. You have opted out of product announcements and can manage exactly what kind of communications you receive from OnceHub. If you ever change your mind, you can simply turn these notifications back on at any time from the same settings. And as always, if you need help, our support team is just a message away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.